And with that, after all that breaking news, we say good evening. I'm Erica Sargent.
And I'm Joe Donlin.
Today marks exactly 3 weeks until Election Day for Chicago's runoff mayoral election.
And right now, Brandon Johnson and Paul Vallas are going head-to-head, sharing their positions on public safety. CBS 2 political investigator Dana Kozlov has more from the UIC Forum.
Joe and Erica, crime is arguably, and some would say it's not even an argument, the #1 issue in this mayoral runoff. And I guess that's no surprise as to why more than 1,000 people may have attended this public safety debate involving both candidates, Paul Vallas and Brandon Johnson. There were dozens of sponsors and partners for this debate, though, and all of them have ties to CVI, or Community Violence Intervention Programs. Now, the room at the UIC Forum was packed with people. The questions by moderators Laura Washington and Eric Zorn were all asked through the lens of how or if the candidates' public safety plans would include community violence intervention in some way. The moderators did their best to push for specifics and covered many aspects of policing as well. But one question asked of both the candidates was would they at least maintain the current $167 million funding level for violence intervention programs even after COVID money runs out in a few years.
We're going to increase it. Look, we want to make sure that the people who are actually closest to the pain get to actually help develop and solve the crisis in our community.
We need to allow the community to identify the most effective programs, and we need to fund those programs, not for 1 year, but we need to fund them on a sustainable basis.
There was bits of contention between the two candidates at time, and the crowd seemed definitely friendlier to more of what Commissioner Brandon Johnson had to say, which is really not a surprise because he is running on a progressive platform which calls for more investment in programs and services, especially for people in underserved communities, while Paul Vallas's public safety plan has really thus far honed in on policing specifics and how more effectively to police the streets of Chicago. I'm reporting live in University Village. Dana Kozlov, CBS 2 News. Joe?
Dana, thank you very much.